Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya di Kerajinan Unik Channel, yang dimana video sebelumnya saya telah mengupload video tentang cara memperbaiki gitar keroncong atau ukulele. Nah, di video kali ini saya akan membuat cara memperbaiki gitar akustik. Yang dimana di sini bisa teman-teman lihat, parah kali ini, benar teman-teman, parah. Depan belakang hampir terbuka semuanya. Tapi tidak masalah. Nah, di sini kita akan mencoba memperbaikinya, mengembalikannya seperti semula. Oke, sebelum lanjut akan saya beritahu dulu, akan saya kasih lihat teman-teman dulu semuanya bagian mana yang perlu diperbaiki dari gitar ini. Oke, bisa dilihat teman-teman. Nah, ini sudah hampir terbuka semua di atas dan juga di bawah ya teman-teman, bisa dilihat sendiri. Oke, nah di sini alat yang perlu disiapkan yaitu cukup sederhana ya, mudah didapat. Yang pertama yaitu ada lem setan. Yang kedua itu ada kopi. Kopinya kopi hitam ya teman-teman, yang teksturnya halus. Oke, untuk mempersingkat waktu, langsung sajalah kita menuju cara memperbaiki gitar akustik ini. Oke, sebelum lanjut ke videonya, bagi kawan-kawan yang belum subscribe, tekan tombol subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa nyalakan tombol loncengnya agar kalian semua mendapat notifikasi video-video saya berikutnya. Oke, lanjut. Getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight. town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.